I mean, you could do what you got to do, but I plead guilty. I would like to plead guilty today.
Well,
Yes.
that can't happen. Is that what you want me to do?
No, I would like for you to accept my guilty plea.
Pardon?
No, I would like for you to accept.
I'm not, okay, sir. I'm not taking your plea.
I don't know if I can make one.
Pardon?
I don't know if I can make it. I'm not understanding this.
If you don't choose either one of those, I'm adjourning the proceeding, finding good cause to do so.
This guy walked into court like he knew more than everyone else. It was honestly hard to watch. He kept arguing with Judge Simpson because he wanted to plead guilty right away. The problem is this court isn't allowed to accept that kind of plea. It was like trying to do the right thing in the wrong place. His attorney looked completely worn out because you could tell she had already explained all of this before they came into court. But he wouldn't listen. He was so focused on what he wanted that he ignored how the legal process actually works. Let me know in the comments. Do you think he was just confused, or was he making things harder on himself? Let's get into it.
Thank you for the court's patience. I just had to relay some information.
That's what I'm known for. If
Patient.
anybody laughs, you're going. No, go ahead.
You are a very patient man, Judge.
Go ahead. Second.
So, Your Honor, today is the date and time set for probable cause conference in this matter.
Yes.
I do understand my client has been deemed competent to stand trial. I've had conversations with him. He tells me that he is prepared to enter a plea today. I've explained to him that that's not something that the court would be able to do at this stage. I've also explained to him that typically we would send this matter up to circuit court so that the sentencing judge will be able to properly enter his plea for him. He says that that's not something that he wishes to do. So I'm kind of at a crossroads at this point, Judge. I don't know.
So
This defendant is giving his attorney a tough time because he keeps arguing about something that has already been explained to him several times. You can see Judge Simpson trying to stay patient while explaining a very simple point. This district court cannot accept a felony guilty plea, but the defendant seems to think that arguing more will somehow change the rules. That's just not how the legal system works. The judge is actually trying to help him, but he won't slow down and listen. If he had simply waived the preliminary hearing and let the case move to circuit court, he would already be much closer to sentencing. Instead, he's making everything more difficult. What do you think? Is he just confused, or is he refusing to listen?
sir, if you're going to enter a plea to these cases, it would have to go to another judge to take that plea, which is the waiver that counsel's talking about. I could not accomplish that today for you.
You can't just
Usually,
plead guilty.
Mr. Gatlin, what we do is once I've made the finding that I made today, we adjourn it out to the next available day, give you a chance to talk with your attorneys about what you want to do and the process by which that will happen. Okay? You understand that, sir?
I mean, I just don't understand why I can't plead guilty, man. And get to,
Because if you pled guilty, you'd be pleading to felony charges.
Understand why Judge Simpson finally gets frustrated. The defendant keeps acting like the judge is stopping him on purpose, when the truth is the court doesn't have the legal power to do what he's asking. Moments like this show how many people go into court without understanding the basic court process. I also feel bad for his attorney because she looks embarrassed and frustrated. This should have been a quick step in the case, but it turned into a long argument. Cases often take longer when people fight the process instead of following it. The defendant is so focused on pleading guilty today that he doesn't realize the judge is actually protecting him from making a legal mistake. Let me know what you think in the comments.
Before a circuit court judge, which is why it would have to be waived and you would have to go up to circuit court.
I mean, you could do what you got to do, but I plead guilty.
Well, let me do this. You've not discussed a waiver with him in detail, have you?
I mean, I have, Your Honor. I've explained to him what the waiver does and how it would send him over to circuit court with a pretrial. I've explained to him his right to the preliminary exam. I suggested that we set it for exam, but
All right. Sir, you seem like you want to get it moving, and I don't have a problem with that. Do you want to waive so you can go up before the circuit court judge and do what you're going to do, or do you want a preliminary examination to have a hearing on the charges?
I would like to plead guilty today.
Well, that can't happen. If you wish to plead guilty, I can get you, you would waive so that I can get you to a place where you could do that as soon as available. Is that what you want me to do?
No, I would like for you to accept my guilty plea.
Pardon?
No, I would like for you to accept.
I'm not, okay, sir, I'm not taking your plea. So your options are, I can set this for preliminary examination, or you can waive the preliminary examination and I will send it to circuit court where they will be more than happy to take your plea. If you don't choose either one of those, I'm adjourning the proceeding, finding good cause to do so. So, sir, what is your choice?
I don't know if I can make one.
Pardon?
I don't know if I can make one. I'm not understanding this.
All right. If there's something you're not understanding, I've got to give you time to talk to your attorney about it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the fastest date I can possibly give you to come back. Once you've had that, figure out exactly what you're doing. So I'm going to find good cause to adjourn the probable cause conference in this matter. I will adjourn it to my next date is the 9th, to October 9th, 2025, 9 a.m. His bond will continue. Thank you.
Something. It shows that understanding how the court system works is just as important as understanding the charges. Many cases are delayed because defendants try to do things that the law simply doesn't allow. I think Judge Simpson actually helped this defendant by stopping the guilty plea. If the plea had gone through in the wrong court, it could have caused bigger problems later. This is also a reminder that a good attorney is important because they help you understand the legal process from the beginning. Watching this felt like seeing someone try to force something that simply couldn't happen. Let me know what you thought about Judge Simpson and how he handled the situation. If you were the judge, what would you have done? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.